For UPSC IAS aspirants, having access to the right study materials is crucial for success. This package includes top coaching institute study materials like Vajiram Ravi, Vision IAS, BYJU'S IAS, and other important books, for example, Oxford Map, CSAT Notes, and Vajiram IAS, that every aspirant must have. Vajiram Ravi is one of the most popular coaching institutes for UPSC IAS preparation. This package includes 34 yellow books from Vajiram Ravi for upcoming UPSC IAS exam. The books cover all the topics in the UPSC syllabus and are updated with the latest information. BYJU'S IAS Class 20 Plus booklets. BYJU'S IAS is another popular coaching institute for UPSC IAS preparation. This package includes 20-plus booklets covering all important topics in the UPSC syllabus. The booklets are written in a concise and easy-to-understand manner, making them ideal for self-study. Vision IAS is known for its comprehensive and updated study materials for UPSC IAS aspirants. This package includes the latest notes from Vision IAS for the upcoming UPSC IAS exam. The notes cover all the important topics in the UPSC syllabus and are written in a clear and concise manner. They are highly recommended by UPSC IAS toppers. Having access to these top-quality study materials can give UPSC IAS aspirants an edge over their competitors. The study materials are updated with the latest information and cover all the important topics in the UPSC syllabus. They are ideal for self-study and can save aspirants from having to spend a lot of money on expensive coaching institutes. All notes links are given in the description. Please check out and start your preparation from today.